Today I'm going to show you guys how to crochet the linked half double crochet stitch. This is very similar to the linked double crochet stitch, and it just kind of creates a different texture than a traditional stitch. This is a traditional half double crochet, and as you can see, it has just kind of this typical horizontal lines that run through it. It still creates this nice stretchy fabric, but it's pretty basic. The linked half double crochet creates a little bit more interest in your stitches. Here's the same vertical or horizontal lines, but then it also creates this extra ridge, almost creating a ribbed look to your crochet pieces. There's not quite as much stretch. There is some, but not quite as much. And it's just kind of a unique, different look to your crocheted fabric. To work the linked half double crochet, it's a lot like the linked double crochet. Instead of yarning over and then inserting your hook to get those 3 loops on your hook, you're going to insert your hook into the horizontal bar that has already been created here. So insert your hook through that vertical bar, pull up a loop, and then insert into the next stitch and pull up a loop. Now you have your 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook to create that linked half double crochet. I'm going to work a few more just so you can see that a little bit closer. So insert your hook into that vertical bar of the prior stitch, pull up a loop, and then insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook, creating that linked half double crochet. Insert your hook into the horizontal bar, pull up a loop, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Insert your hook into that horizontal bar, pull up a loop, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And that is the linked half double crochet. To begin a row of linked half double crochets, you're going to work a traditional half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Now to work the linked, you have to find that middle bar. It traditionally runs horizontally. It's a little laid flat because it was your first stitch. So it's that middle bar. Just grab that with your hook, pull up a loop, and then insert into your next stitch, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook, and then continue with the linked half double crochet. So insert into that horizontal bar, pull up a loop, into the next stitch and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook, and you're just going to repeat that across to create a row of linked half double crochets.